Hi, I'm Jada. Welcome to therapy. If this is your first time, don't be nervous. Please hold any tears back until we verify your insurance. Slippery floors are a liability. So it looks like your insurance doesn't cover falls. It's fine. It's alright, just don't cry. So, what brings you here today? So is this a girlfriend? A coworker? She's a creator? What does she create? I'm not sure I understand. TikToks? What do you mean you subscribe to her? $3 a month seems kinda low. She makes how much? Wow. Just wow. How do you get on this? This is her? Those are fake. Yeah, look on this one, you can see the scars. Are you crying because of the scars? Or, well, of course she doesn't want to meet you. You look like... I'm sorry. Please stop crying. It's like you don't even care about getting my floor wet. I have a number for a plastic surgeon somewhere in here. I know it's somewhere in here. Ooh, Bulbasaur. $3 a month seems kind of low. Sorry, that wasn't a good one. It's Jada Takes It.